Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video I am going to tell you the summary of the chapter The Enemy. It is a chapter from class 12th English. Okay students, if we talk about the summary of the chapter, The Enemy summary will help you greatly in studying the chapter in detail. It is about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadayo. Okay, students, it is a story of a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadayo. He studies in America and marries a Japanese girl. Okay, World War II broke during that time. All the doctors were under the obligation to go to the Japanese army. Okay, students. However, Sadayo stayed back with an old general, as the old general was ailing. He was in need of Sadayo. Okay, so Sadayo stayed back with him. Okay, just. However, we learned that how an American Navy man finds his way in Sadayo's life. We will study in this chapter, in the summary of the chapter, that how an, an American army man finds his way in Sadayo's life. As the soldier was not well, we are talking about American Navy man. He was not well. Okay. So, what happened? Sadayo offers him medical help. Okay. Sadayo helps him medical help, although he was a enemy, because he was an American. Okay. He was an American Navy man. So, he was an enemy, but Sadayo offers him medical help. Sadayo was not willing to help the enemy, but he does. Okay. He was not willing at first, but he does. He also knows the danger he has got himself into by helping the enemy. Due to this, Sadayo conspires to kill this soldier in his sleep. Okay, student, just what happened when Sadayo and his wife saw the soldier, he was injured, they decide to help him. Although doing so, okay, they were going to face some problems, because that man belongs to American Navy and was the enemy of Japan. But Dr. Sadayo helped the soldier. Okay, why? Sadayo decided to save him because of humanity, because of brotherhood. Okay, students. So, we are going to study all these things in this chapter, in the story of chapter. Now, let us start the summary in details. Okay, students. Just here we start. The Enemy is the story written by Pearl Sandstricker. Okay, it is written by Pearl Sandstricker Buck. It is about a Japanese surgeon Sadayo. As I have already told to you, the story is about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadayo. Okay, he went to study in America. His father sent him to study in America, and where he meets a Japanese girl whose name is Hema. Okay, so Sadayo met there a Japanese girl whose name is Hema. Okay, he marries her and brings her back to Japan to settle down. Okay, that means Sadayo studied in America. He met a Japanese girl there whose name was Hena. He marries her and bring her back to Japan to settle down. Okay, student, this was the time of World War II. Okay, it was the time of World War II. Thus, or so, all the doctors were called up to serve the Japanese army. Because of the war, all the doctors were called up to serve the Japanese army. However, they allowed Sadao to stay back. To stay back, it was because the reason behind it was that he was attending to the old general who was on his deathbed. Who was on his deathbed, he was tending the general. That is why he was allowed to stay back. Okay. What happened one night? An incident changed his life. An incident changed his life. He encounters an American army man who is injured by a gunshot and dying. Okay, students, who encountered? Dr. Sadayo encountered an American man, okay, and that man was injured by a gunshot and dying. Actually, Sadayo's house was near the sea, and the American Navy man came near the house, okay, just he was injured. So, Dr. Sadayo and his wife decide to help him. Okay, students, here we came to know that Dr. Sadayo was a Japanese surgeon. He went to study in America. There he meets a Japanese girl. He marries her and bring back her to Japan to settle down. It was the time of Second World War. All the doctors were called up to serve the Japanese army, but Dr. Sadayo allowed to stay back because he was attending the old general who was on his deathbed. One night an incident happened, and this incident changed his life. What the incident was? He encounters an American Navy man who is injured by a gunshot and dying. Okay? Although Sadayo was in no mind to help the enemy. Okay? Sadayo was not ready first to help the enemy, but later he takes in the young soldier and provides him with medical assistance. Okay? He keeps him at his house to avert any danger coming his way. However, he knew he has opened door to danger by the helping the enemy, because he was an enemy, and at that time war was going on between America and Japan. It is the story during Second World War, and at that time America and Japan were the enemies of each other, and the man who was helped by Sadayo was an American Navy man. So, he was the enemy, okay, and that is why helping that man, okay, helping that man, the Dr. Sadayo was in danger. Okay. He knew he has opened door to danger by helping the enemy, okay, because the man was an enemy. His servant decide to leave Sadayo too. When he asked, Dr. Sadayo asked, okay students, when Dr. Sadayo asked and his wife asked the servant to help them in the treatment of that man, his servant decided to leave him because they were not ready to help the enemy. Okay? As the days kept passing, the soldier was now beginning to gain his health back. Now that the soldier was no longer Sadayo's patient, okay, now he was well. So he decided to kill him off in his sleep. Just, dear students, understand the fact. Okay, very first when the soldier was injured, Dr. Sadayo decided to help him. Okay, as a humanity, he thought to help him. Okay, because the soldier was injured. So because of humanity and the brotherhood, he decided to help him. But when the soldier gained health, now he was well, then doctor decided to kill him. Why doctor decided to kill him? Because he was the enemy of Japanese. He was a American army man. Okay, so the Dr. Sadayo decides to kill him off in his sleep. Okay, he informs the general of American, and thus the general reciprocates. They decide to send private agents to kill the American soldier. When this Dr. Sadayo inform about all this incident to the general sent his assistant to kill Sadayo. But here is a twisting things, dear students, just go ahead, you will come to know. While waiting for assistance, Sadayo starts noticing it was delaying. However, during this course, humanity in Sadayo's arise. Okay, when he was waiting for the assassins, okay, Sadayo start noticing that it was delaying. That means they didn't come on time. Okay, and at that time, humanity in Sadayo arises. He realizes that he is a human being at the end of the day. Okay, student. So, he now recognize the value of human life as well as a universal brotherhood. Now, he stopped thinking like an enemy. He start thinking about just like a human being. Okay, he start recognizing the value of human life. He start thinking about the universal brotherhood. The Dr. Sadayo started thinking about the universal brotherhood. Okay, students. So, his mind changed. Thus, this opened his mind, which was limited to race, boundaries, and wars. Really, his war when he decides to kill the soldier. At that time, his mind was limited to race, to Japanese, okay, boundaries, to his country, and he was thinking about war only. But when he recognized the value of human life as well as universal brotherhood, now his mind opens. Okay, yes, okay, students. Now he is starting thinking about the value of human life. Yes. So, he comes to the conclusion that the the American soldier is not his enemy, okay, just because he belonged to another country. Thus, he rises above his prejudice and does the right thing by helping the American soldier escape. Okay. Now, he had the American soldier escape, thus saving his life. So, after all, we can say Sadayo recognized the value of human life and he helped in saving the American soldier's life. Now, if we talk about the conclusion, we can say to sum up the enemy summary, we learn how love and compassion can make us better human beings as opposed to prejudices and biases against other people with whom we do not share anything but the bond of being human being. Dear students, really after all we all are human beings, so we should think about the brotherhood, okay, we think things about the humanities, and these are the things which values in life. Okay, definitely as the Dr. Sadayo did, he recognized the value of human life, okay, and as well as the universal brotherhood, and at the last he saved the life of enemy. Okay, students, I think the video will be helpful you. Thank you.